What is fungibility? Fungibility refers to the quality of assets being interchangeable, where each unit holds equal value and validity in the market. This means that one unit of a fungible asset can be replaced by another without any loss in value or utility. For example, a pound of copper is identical in value to any other pound of copper, making it fungible. Fungible assets include pure metals, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The key point is that the transaction involves assets with standard functionality or utility, not necessarily identical in size or shape but equal in market value and utility. Fungibility is distinct from liquidity, which is about an asset's ability to be quickly converted into cash. While liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be converted into money, fungibility focuses on the interchangeability of assets of the same type.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
For instance, receivables may be liquid but are not fungible because they may not have an equal exchangeable value. Additionally, perishable goods may be fungible on one day but may lose this quality as they deteriorate over time. The concept of fungibility spans various fields. In economics, it underlies the principle of barter, where goods exchanged must be of equal value. In law, fungibility plays a role in compensating for damages by ensuring the aggrieved party receives an equivalent value for their loss. In international relations, a nation may exchange economic power for other forms of influence like military strength. In investment markets, fungibility allows for the buying and selling of assets, such as shares or cryptocurrencies, on multiple exchanges. Fungible investments like stocks enable traders to profit through arbitrage, buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. Cryptocurrencies, being fungible, allow for the exchange of units without loss of value, making them a popular asset class for investors. This fungibility, combined with the technology behind cryptocurrencies, supports their growing use as a form of exchange and store of value. For more related videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.